Hello mama, and welcome to your ab rehab level 2 postpartum core recovery. If you're new here, nice to meet you. I'm little Cheri, mom of 2, currently 6 months postpartum. In today's ab rehab practice, we've got 8 exercises, 45 seconds on and 15 seconds core activation hold in between. That's going to be intense. If you've never done Diastasis Recti exercises before, I suggest you to begin with level 1. To learn more about ab separation, grab my Diastasis Recti guide ebook absolutely for free. In that guide, you will learn everything you need to know about Diastasis Recti. What is it, why you get it, how to heal it, and much, much more. It's available for you in the description box down below. All right. Are you ready to have fun? Let's do this. Our entire practice is going to be on our backs. To protect your core, let's make our way down through the side, flip onto your back, place your feet hip distance apart. Right away, I want you to rotate your pelvic bowl skyward. Take both of your hands and place them underneath the lower back. There should be no gap, so squeeze that lower back into the mat. Squeeze your navel into the lower back into the mat. That's how we're gonna maintain our spine the entire practice. Place one hand onto the belly, one hand underneath the lower back to remind us that first exercise, heel slides. When you're ready, begin to extend one heel away from you, bring it back in. Switch the other heel away from you, bring it back in. And switch. Begin to move with the breath. Avoid any doming or coning in your tummy. Avoid any gap between the lower back and the floor. Moving slow and mindfully. Begin to feel your deep core activates. Squeezing that navel into the lower back. Squeezing the lower back into the floor. Last one. Beautiful. Take a break. Maintain lower back floor connection. Nice tight core. Next exercise, toe taps. Bring the shin bones parallel to the floor. You're gonna tap one toe and lift. Second toe and lift. Now you begin to feel more fire. Check your belly, check your tummy. Avoid doming or coning. Squeeze and breathe. When your knees closer towards your chest, that will be a little easier. When your knees further away, you're adding extra challenge. No rushing here. We want to move slow. Always checking the lower back and the tummy. Last one. Now hold here. Next one gonna be double tap. This one I want you to do super slow, super mindfully. Keep checking your tummy and the lower back. Take a breath in. Exhale, tap both of your toes. Lift, no rush. Tap and lift. Oh my gosh. Tap and lift. That's only third exercise. Squeeze that lower back. Feel about vacuum. Vacuuming the navel towards the lower back. If it's too much, you're just gonna keep going, alternating between one and the other leg. If any conning causing that, so take a step back. Last one. Good, just hold. Hold, I want you to keep holding. Maintain that connection. Feel the deep core muscles. Next exercise, knee to chest hugs. You're gonna bring one knee to chest, hug it, and exchange. And exchange. Then higher the extension of the leg, then easier it will be. Then lower you're gonna bring it, then harder it will be. When you choose, take it to the next level. When you choose extra challenge, remind yourself to avoid doming or coning. As soon as you feel your belly expands as you move, you need to take a step back. Checking your spine, checking your core. Keep squeezing that lower back. Last one. Beautiful. Bring the legs back into a tabletop position. Squeeze that core. Now I love to put my elbows into the floor, palms facing each other. It helps me to remind to keep that activation of deep core. V-taps, you're gonna spread your toes to the outer edges of the mat. Bring the knees back. Spread and open. And back. Open. And back. Check your tummy. If you feel that's too much for you, I would suggest you to begin with level 1 exercises. So pause this video and begin with level 1. No doming or coning. I will repeat that million times because that's super crucial and important when you're working on your DR. Good. Pause here. Hold. Keep squeezing. It's on fire. I'm here with you. Believe me, better than any crunches. Just hold it. Next, we're just gonna do legs extension. You're gonna extend one leg to the sky, rebend. The other, rebend. You want to go deeper, extend it in front of you. Again, if you choose to go deeper, protect your core. You should maintain a nice flat tummy. Keep squeezing the navel towards the lower back. Lower back towards the floor. Ooh, so good. Can you feel that? I mean, there's no way I'm gonna come back to traditional core exercises. This is so good. Keep going. Last one. Beautiful. Hold it here. Extend the arms up to the sky. Dead bug. We're gonna extend leg and opposite arm. Ready? Let's go. Right leg, left arm. Hold it. Bring it back in. Woo! Switch. Extend. Hold. Bring it back in. And switch. Squeeze that damn core. So good, almost there. We have one more exercise to go. You got this, mama. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Keep your body nice and tight. Keep your core on fire. Beautiful. Hold here. Okay, place your feet down. Maintain that lower back floor connection. Lift your head. Squeeze the tummy. Extend the arms in front of you. We're gonna touch the heels. So you're gonna lean to the right, touch the right heel, switch, lift, and right, and lift, right, and lift, right, and lift. Good. No crunching the belly, only working our obliques here. Look up. You got this. Almost there. Woo! Relax all the way down. Relax everything. Place the hands onto your tummy. Take a breath in and out. One more just like that. Inhale. Let it out. Roll onto the side. Push the floor away. Make your way up into a seated position, and let's applause to ourselves. That was a really, really good fire. How about you? Could you feel the fire? Did you like this practice? If so, leave me a heart emoji in the comments below. Let me know how your postpartum journey is going. How much gap are you trying to heal right now? And let me know if you want to see more diastasis recti exercises like this one in the future on this channel. Remember to grab your free guide with everything you need to know about diastasis recti. Again, thank you so much for sharing your energy, for sharing your practice with me today. From my heart to yours. I'll see you soon.